In this video, I'll show you how to buy a refurbished smartphone on Back Market safely and easily using your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Back Market app on your phone. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now sign in to your Back Market account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now search for the smartphone you're looking for. For example, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or any other model you prefer. Browse through the available listings and tap on a phone that interests you. On the product page, review important details such as storage capacity, color, condition grade, battery information, warranty coverage, and seller ratings. You can also compare different conditions such as fair, good, excellent, or premium. Take some time to read the product description and customer reviews before making your decision. Once you're ready to purchase, tap Add to Cart button. Next, review your order details and proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping address if needed. Then, choose your preferred payment method. Review everything carefully and tap Confirm Order to complete your purchase. After your order is confirmed, you can track its shipping progress directly from your Back Market account. And that's how you can buy a refurbished smartphone on Back Market using your phone.